In this video, we have some scientific notation that we're going to be dealing with. Scientific notation helps us write numbers that are very large or very small in a concise way. So 1.21 times 10 to the 7th is a very large number. 1.1 times 10 to the 9th is also a very large number. There would be nothing wrong with going to your calculator, punching that in and dividing those two large numbers, but that's a little bit cumbersome. And we can do a little bit of a shortcut that's a little bit easier. So let's break it into two pieces. 1.21 divided by 1.1 times 10 to the 7th over 10 to the 9th. So 1.21 divided by 1.1, you can do that on your calculator if you need help, but that would be 1.1. And then we're going to multiply that times 10 to the 7th over 10 to the 9th. Now notice that we have the same base here. Our exponents, we can subtract them. That's from the quotient property. So 7 minus 9 is negative 2. So we end up with 1.1 times 10 to the negative 2. Notice that it says to write your answer as an integer, which is a whole number, positive or negative, or a decimal. So I'm going to write this as a decimal. I don't think it's going to be a whole number, but I do think I can write it as a decimal. This negative 2 exponent, because it's negative, that indicates that this number needs to get smaller. So I'm going to start with 1.1, and I'm going to move this decimal to make it smaller in the left direction by 1, 2 times. Let's fill in this blank here with a 0. So I end up with 0.011 as my final answer in decimal form.